If you don't know me, ask somebody you know and I bet they know. My dick is straight swollen, coming out that pussy hole. Letting niggas know that your flow is whack. I'ma stab you in your back. Might as well hold me back. Take that 4-5, hold it to your temple. Yes, it's that fucking simple. Pull the fucking trigger, man, I think I killed that nigga. You know, Pope Pimpin' do or die, nigga. Look in the sky, that nigga AJ is so damn fly, and you know it, that's why I show it, nigga. Watch me take a nigga's mind and blow it off his body. No fear, nobody, nigga, no fear, cause I see this shit so clear when it's not near. This world is so simple. Catch me steady shooting while you popping pimples. Catch a nigga like me anywhere without a care. I don't let shit happen, steady fucking clapping your hands. Let's do the dance, last one breathing will be the fucking man. I'ma do it like I can, cause I know that I'm the man. Catch me fucking niggas up, drinking lean out my cup, fucking up their whole crew. Man, you know what I do. Got that 4-5, making niggas off and letting haters know I'm alive. But a 25 can't keep you alive from a nigga like me. So I hope you survive happily. I always stay neat, and you know this nigga can steal you. Why you paying attention, bitch? I'm in my own dimension. And don't think I forgot to mention the tension you get from running from me. So I unload 3 buckshots so easily in your back and attack your boys. Nigga, stop talking that noise. I'ma grab the gat and put it to your head. Make a hole, bitch. I got an S on my chest, so fuck the rest. Man, you fucking with the best. Man, you fucking with the wrong crew. Now stop and think about what I'ma do when I bust up on you. And what are you gonna do? Nigga, just sit there and do what?